So here I'm discuss very important topic that is called Facebook events. What is mean by event? So I'm launching one new car showroom. I can create one event. Event, date and time and place. Three is important. Date, time and place. So first of all, if anybody go to the profile, feeds will be created by your profile and your page also. Profile and page also. First, you can go to the events time. Based on the calendar, the event will be scheduled. Once coming here, the event will be called, one is the private event, second will be public event. Private nothing but we can create the one secret event. When send the link to your particular friends, they join their event. So if I am launching my office event, I can share only for my office employees. So I can create by the private. I can create one event for public event. They share by total public purpose. So I'm clicking for only for public event. When you click the event one, just this event will be just created here. First one, event host, who, total pages, or else my profile. Means my name. I create this event. Host by myself. Or else some other company will be host. The company will be host. That's the company page. Is it clear? When select your company page, automatically the cover image will be showing for where? Another event one. In this one, first event name, event location where? My page. Suppose not interested. Select Hyderabad. Your wish. The people reach for your page, two advantages. They can see your event, they come into your page, like your page also. First, they come into your event, the location will be where? Hyderabad. Then give address for where? On your description part. So just what is called? Occur once, daily, weekly or customs. This post you can visible for daily or weekly or once. Suppose my event time will be 24 days. Event date will be 24 days. Go to custom, select your 24 days. Today date how many days? 24 days called. This is the D 6 7 7 plus 17. When start, when close, add time 5 p.m. Event cannot. We can change your. So this is I'm given this. If you give the time will be like this. I will just close it. Is it clear? We can give by custom date and time and end date and time also. So first event name, location, frequency, weekly. This is all weeks. November 27 to December 18th. 4 days. November 27 to December 18th. Custom date and time. So if I'm clicking for occur only once, only for today purpose or tomorrow purpose. Start and end date. Same day start when 27 45. Same day will be finish 27 11 45. Give you the time and the specific hours. We are using for Facebook events also. After that, select your event category, your description, schedule, item name, start and end. Suppose you can prepare one item is only for dance 1 hour, curricular activities 1 hour. This all will be scheduled by this option. Next, keywords, your message on tickets URL, your host option. How many people is coming to your events? For this one, posting. Anyone can post or only for anyone can post. Approved by who? Admin or moderator. Only host can for post means admin can post your Facebook events. Now select your get list. Uncheck is called display guest list. I can't show my guest list, nothing but your co-host. Now click for create or else schedule. Event will be post for right now or schedule for this one. So I'm not here. Once schedule this one, you can schedule up to the time will be 2 to 6 months. Is it clear? This is called create your Facebook schedule and using Facebook profile. Okay, what is important? Event name, place, start date, end date with a time. Now, private events. Choose theme, upload photo or video, event name, location, start date, end date, description, guest can invite friends, show guest list, create private area. For that, guest can invite friends. Here the private event. What the difference? Choose theme. Your theme. Or else search your own image. Event name, location, start date, end date, description. Click for private event. You come into public event, private event, total different. Public and private event, totally different. So this is called. This is called I'm creating for where using for profile. Where just come to your profile. The left side of the corner, click for events. I can show one events. How will be showing for events? Just I'm clicking for North Hyderabad. Host by Art Fashion Lifestyle Exhibition. When? December 13, 11 a.m. Now the date? November 24th. What the date is? December 13. Almost it will take for 20 days. When will we finish? December 15th, 9 p.m. Where? Taj Krishna, Hyderabad. Hosted by The Heart. Tickets where available for faircareindia.com. Find your tickets. How many people are interested for here? 98 going, 1.6k, 1,600 people will be interested. So this is a description and phone number. Is it clear? After this is a tax. What is that? This is your website URL. This is your Facebook page URL. So this one. Is it clear? This is a create by event by way your Facebook profile. Now coming to your Facebook page. When you create any events, just click for event. Now you can tell me any difference for the Facebook profile and Facebook page. Create event. Just open your event page now. First photograph, event name, location, frequency, start and end, details, category, description. What is it? Keywords, messaging, ticket URL, option, co-host, posting and get list. So compare with your profile and brand page. One different. Profile is creating for public event and a private event, but Facebook pages create by the public events. So the difference. Facebook profile and the Facebook page is the one different. Facebook profile is creating for private and public events. Facebook page created only for public events. Why? They can promoting their page purpose. Is it clear? This is called event will be created based on your start date and end date particular time. Any interview asking question call, if reading for Facebook profile to event creation, we create by two kind of event, public and private. Coming to Facebook page, only create the public event with your location, with your start date, start time, end date, end time. If you schedule demos, schedule by training demos, schedule by receptions, marriage events, create by the some any kind of your shop openings, any kind of you can create by events using by profile and the Facebook page. So this is what I'm creating for Facebook events using Facebook profile and the Facebook page.